In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Zapier in HubSpot and create your first automated workflow, or ZAP. This process is all about connecting HubSpot and Gmail so you can streamline your tasks and improve productivity. By the end of this video, you'll be able to set up an automated email that sends when specific actions occur in HubSpot, a perfect starting point for simplifying your workflow. Let's begin by installing Zapier in HubSpot. First, navigate to your HubSpot account and click on the settings icon located in the main dashboard. From there, you'll see a variety of options on the sidebar. You'll want to find and click on Integrations. Once you're in the Integrations section, head over to Connected Apps. This is where HubSpot allows you to integrate with various external applications, providing you a plethora of options to enhance your customer relationship management experience. Now, within Connected Apps, you'll need to search for Zapier in the search bar. Once it appears, go ahead and connect the Zapier app to your HubSpot account. Do note, you must have super admin access to complete this step. Without it, you won't see the options required to connect third-party applications, so make sure you have the correct permissions before proceeding. With Zapier successfully linked to your HubSpot, it's time to create your very first Zap. Log into your Zapier account, and you'll be greeted with a dashboard filled with options. What you'll want to do here is click on Make a Zap. This is where the magic happens, where we get to define the trigger and action that sets your automated workflow into motion. For the trigger, which is essentially the event that starts the Zap, choose HubSpot. You'll see options like New Contact or New Deal. Think about what action in HubSpot should initiate your workflow. For this example, let's choose New Contact, meaning your automation will begin whenever a new contact is added to your HubSpot account. After setting the trigger, it's time to define the action, what you want to happen next. Here, we'll choose Gmail as the action app. The specific action will be Send Email. After selecting this, you'll have to fill in the email details, the recipient, subject line, and body of the message. Be sure you input all necessary information to ensure the email sends correctly when triggered. Once your trigger and action are set up, it's crucial to test everything. Run a test trigger in Zapier to make sure that your workflow functions as expected. This is your opportunity to catch any errors. Double-check the email sends correctly through Gmail during the test. Finally, the last step is straightforward. Once your test confirms everything is working smoothly, go ahead and turn the Zap on. This step fully activates your automation, effectively freeing you from manually sending emails whenever a new contact is added to HubSpot. And there you have it, a seamless, automated workflow connecting HubSpot with Gmail using Zapier. This handy integration will save you time and help maintain a consistent communication routine. Happy automating!